Let's make some pan-seared halibut. Pat dry halibut and season generously with garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Allow to heat up, then add Scotch bonnet to crushed garlic and thyme. You can also use any herbs of your choice. Sear seasoned side for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat, while seasoning other side. Flip halibut and sear for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness. Add fresh lemon juice and 2 slices of lemon, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and baste. Thanks for watching, and enjoy!